Hello, welcome to the online booth for the Department of Mechanical Engineering. I'll be giving you a brief introduction to our program here at UBC Vancouver, as well as the discipline as a whole. So what is mechanical engineering? How is it different from the other engineering disciplines? Basically, mechanical engineering has to do with anything that moves. So systems of movement and energy, if they're involved in a device or any other application, there's a mechanical engineer involved. That means the field is incredibly broad, and mechanical engineers work in almost every industry, from designing devices like vehicles or robots, to solving big problems like reducing greenhouse gas emissions or developing clean energy technology. Our undergraduate program at UBC Vancouver gives you breadth and depth, and gives you the teamwork, leadership, design, and technical skills you need to work across a variety of sectors. It gives you the opportunity to explore different areas of interest, as well as the flexibility to adapt when the industry changes. So we have a general stream, and this is the broadest foundation, which enables you to work in a wide variety of fields. However, if you have a passion for a specific area, you can delve a bit deeper in one of our 4 other options. Aerospace gives you an education in mechanical engineering within the world of aviation. Biomechanics and biomedical devices explores movement within the human body and prepares you for engineering in the medical field. Mechatronics is where electronics, artificial intelligence, programming, and controls meet the world of mechanical systems. So anytime a device is controlled by a computer, so like a robot, that would be the world of mechatronics. And finally, thermofluids is the combination of thermodynamics and fluid mechanics, which is the broadest of our options besides general, and opens up the world of vehicles, of energy, combustion, and more. Our award-winning second-year program is where you would enter into the department in your second year. So it integrates topics into 4 modules instead of discrete classes, and that way it gets you designing and building from the moment you begin to study. Also, in industry, engineers don't work by themselves, they work in teams. So we have a collaborative cohort-based learning environment. And finally, practical and hands-on design challenges and machine shop training teach students how a design can move from paper to reality. In 3rd and 4th year is when you would do your technical electives and your specialized option courses. We have more design courses. And of course, in 4th year, you apply your skills to a real project from an industry sponsor who mentors your team in our year-long 4-5X capstone design course. We also have specialized facilities and support for undergraduates. Our machine shop is one of the only on campus that's open to undergrads. We also have an instrumentation lab, undergraduate lab, makerspace, and a large student services office. Our professors you'll be learning from are experts in their field with broad areas of research. They use the tools of mechanical engineering, the study of motion, to investigate important issues. Outside of the academic program, there's a vibrant student community and opportunities to extend your learning beyond the classroom. The department sponsors a large number of extracurricular student teams that let you use your skills to take on a particular challenge. Also, Club MEC is the undergraduate society for our students, and they represent the student interests in student government and organize professional development opportunities and social activities. We also have several opportunities to learn about research. We have a 4th year course that lets you do a research project under the guidance of a professor. Create U is a summer cohort program that lets you do 2 classes teaching research skills, and a paid research project you can actually apply to co-op. And the Undergraduate Student Research Awards provide funding to do a paid research term in a lab. Because mechanical engineering is such a broad field, a wide range of industries hire mechanical engineers. It's also an internationally recognized degree, one of the foundational engineering disciplines. You can take it wherever you go. Here are some of our alumni. You can see from this sample that our graduates work for businesses like Tesla or Apple. They start their own businesses and become entrepreneurs, or they even end up as professors. Our graduates are hired by local and international companies in industries including medical device design, automotive, robotics, marine engineering, and clean energy, just to name a few. And you can see here that we have a few samples of local companies. Cardium, C-SPAN, Ballard, and BC Hydro are all Lower Mainland companies that have hired our graduates. And some international companies we featured here are Rolls-Royce, Tesla, Amazon, Google, etc. Also, mechanical engineering lends itself to entrepreneurship, and several of our alumni have started their own companies and startups. We'll end off with this quote from one of our graduates. "I chose mech because it gives me a strong and a broad foundation to do a lot of things in the future. It keeps my options open. I didn't know what I wanted to do in high school, but I knew that this degree would give me tons of options and I could combine it with other disciplines." Thank you so much for joining us in this session. If you think of any questions, you can always email us at students@mech.ubc.ca. You can find our website at mech.ubc.ca or find us on social media under the handle @UBCMech. Thanks once again and have a lovely day.